Hello everyone. I am conveying my today journey of my learning, and I thought before front-end is so easy over the backend, but now I am learning backend. So I I I do have, I think I did have a tremendous misconcept about the front-end on backend. I think backend is more complex than front-end. Backend backend has some kind of weird logics and weird syntax that may not be understood. You know, today I have created a JWT authentication application, and and join and by joining to the MongoDB Atlas to the local MongoDB campus. So it was so exciting for me, and I didn't have any knowledge about MongoDB, and that was my first time I have installed MongoDB and joined with a MongoDB Atlas as a cloud server. And I have created a database for that for getting data sent by the postman. Oh yeah, I have used postman as a responsive or as a request API request, and then I have checked by the postman all kind of logics code operation. So in going through the JWT authentication, I uh, I have faced some kind of obstacles of weird syntax like Morgan. Morgan is a locker. Locker. What does locker means? Locker checkout or gives you the real time HTTP method. What method are you using now, and when basically uh, you are using a API call and status code and so on in your console in real time. When uh, getting hit you are getting hit the API, then the locker will give you some kind of this kind of information about that. And then JW token and JW secret. Your password is vulnerable, so the hash password give you the coverage or the strong verification and strong security to your system. Nobody won't hack, or nobody won't encode your system when they will be attacking your system because of the hashing. And there is a some kind of syntax that was so weird for me, because I never had knowledge about the backend. I have I have learned about vanilla JavaScript, but not the Node.js and Express.js, and it was really new for me. But I'm quite interested to learn about that, and I think uh, in the first phase I was stuck more. Now by practicing, by realizing realizing that with obviously the AI, and I'm getting better now. And and this is my another video about my learning journey, and I will be creating more and more for people, because I love to talk to people about myself, about my understanding of what's going on about technological genre. So hello, good night to all.